Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? Welcome to another video, and I am really excited to review this ROM. In this video I will show you a full review of the extended UI ROM. Its version is 1.1 and as you can see here it is showing its own Easter egg animation, and its Android version is 10, security patch is 5, March 2020. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let's talk about the stability of this ROM. The ROM is pretty stable and there is no any single bug or issue in this ROM. Everything is just working fine and there is no any lag. And now let's talk about the new things. In the new thing we have this volume rocker style. As you can see here from this style, you can manage your volume and you can also change your sound profiles. As you can see here, I think it is inspired by the MIUI or Samsung's One UI. The developer did really good work in this ROM, and the overall performance and gaming performance of this ROM is also good. Every single application and every game is working good. So as you can see here, in this ROM we also have the Google Assistant 2.0, which is also a good thing. And in the quick settings we have some shortcuts, and the app opening speed of this ROM is also good. As you can see here, it is opening the apps quickly. And in the camera we only have the classic camera. You can install any camera mode or Gcam 7.3 from the link in the description. And in the home screen we have the pixel launcher with some minimum settings. Then we have widgets and styles and wallpapers. In the styles we only have one style pre-installed. You can create your own by clicking on the custom button. Then we have clock. In the clock we have 4 basic styles. Then we have wallpaper. In the wallpaper we have wallpapers from the pixel, but they are not live wallpapers. So you can install the live wallpapers by watching my previous videos, which are really good wallpapers. And it also shows us the trigger buttons at the edges of bottom to open up the Google Assistant 2.0 quickly. Now let's dig into the settings. As you can see here, the setting has been redesigned to use with one-handed mode. You can use this, actually you can use the whole ROM with one hand. As you can see here, you can access anything with using only one hand. So this is a pretty much good thing about this ROM. And at the top we have the search bar and user icon. You can access anything with using one hand. Then we have network and internet, connected devices, and configuration center. In the configuration center we have all available customizations. First of all, we have status bar settings. In the status bar settings we have icon settings, like you can manage the status bar icon. Then you can manage network indicators, you can hide the arrows and double tap to sleep gestures. Then we have lock screen settings. From here you can manage the lock screen shortcuts, which are now they are bigger than the usual, so you can access them easily. Then we have media cover art, double tap to sleep gesture. Then we have UI tuner. I don't know why it is not working, so I will report it to the developer. Then we have the notifications. Then we have ambient light, which is working good, snooze timer, and some battery light settings. Then we have navigation bar and button. From here you can invert the layout, you can change the layout, and from here you can also manage the power button settings, and you can also play with the volume rocker settings. Then we have the about section. From here you can learn about this ROM. And then we have apps and notification. Battery, the battery performance of this ROM is also good. Here we have battery saver, adaptive battery, and battery percentage on the status bar. Then we have display. In the display we have styles and wallpaper, dark theme, which is working good. And then we have brightness level, adaptive brightness, night light, which is also working good. And then we have rotation, screen timeout, font size. In the font size we have only 4 types of font sizes, and in the display size we have 5 types of display sizes. Then we have lock screen display and double tap to wake gesture, which is working good. And here we also have the always on display, but it will drain your battery quickly. After display we have sound. The sound quality of this ROM is also pretty good, but we don't have any advanced settings and any sound enhancing quality technology in this ROM, but still the sound quality of this ROM is good. And the security, the fingerprint is working perfectly, and but we don't have any face unlock feature in the smart lock. Then we have counts, accessibility, digital well-being, Google, and system. In the system we have languages and input, gesture, jump to camera, system navigation, and from here you can also enable the full screen gesture to hide the pill. It will give you a seamless full screen display. Then we have prevent ringing and swipe 3 fingers to screenshot, date and time, backup, reset option, multiple users, and in the about phone you can check your Android version and extended UI version, which is the one unofficial build as you can see here, and its Android version is 10. As you can see here, it is showing its own animation, Easter egg animation, which is looking really beautiful. As you can see here, we have X UI, and in the background it is playing some animations like gray and black color, and in its Android version is 10. Its security patch is 5 March 2020. You can install any custom kernel in this ROM, so the ROM is pretty stable and recommended for daily usage. You can install this ROM if you want. So to install this ROM, just download the ROM from the link in the description. Reboot your device into any installed custom recovery. Go to wipe everything except the internal storage and SD card. Now go to install, flash the downloaded ROM, reboot. You will be in this ROM. Do not flash GFs. So hope you like this video. If you really did, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep supporting. Thanks for watching.
कीमतों के मामले में बड़ा भी तो करो, खड़ा करेगा बोलेगा खड़ा भी तो करो, बड़ा बड़ा करेगा बोलेगा बड़ा भी तो करो। मैं तो जरा भी नहीं सोचा था दोबारा पे दोबारा मैं गाना बनाता जा रहा, जो नहीं बनाना बहाना बनाता जा रहा। तुम्हें नहीं बनाना मेरे मोमिन ने कहा है मुझे।